Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Halloween minion surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Halloween minion surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to take my paper, I'm going to line up the corners, and I'm going to give it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to fold it one more time, line up the corners. It's going to kind of look like a bookmark. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for that fun surprise. Now, to start off with this, let's begin by making our first minion. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to curve up, and then we're just going to bring it down like this. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a circle for an eye. Then I'm going to leave a little space, and I'm going to make another circle for an eye right here. Inside of here, I'm going to make two little dots for the pupils. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve right around here. Then I'm going to make another one that's just going to curve right around here. And that's going to be like the goggles. Now let's draw two lines on this side and two lines on this side. Then let's go ahead and make a little bit of hair up here. Now starting here, let's bring this line down. We're going to come around and then bring it up here for the body. Let's make 1, 2, and then 3 lines here for the legs. And we can just connect them. We'll draw a little line that's going to come down on each side. And then let's just draw a line across for the feet. And then let's make a little line down here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down and over. And then over here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come out. And then I'm going to put a little curve on it like this. Then we're going to bring this line back. Right here, I'm going to make a little curve for the hand. And then I'm going to make a little line right here. Now, let's make a line down and a line down. Then we'll draw a straight line across. Then we'll make a curve so it looks like he's got a little trick-or-treat basket. We can make 2 triangles for eyes. And a small triangle for a nose. We can make a line with a couple little teeth on it. And then a big smile underneath here. Next, starting here, right underneath the goggles, let's go ahead and make a little smile. And then let's make him look like he's got like a little mummy costume on. So let's begin by making a line that comes down here and then a second one underneath it. We'll make a line here and one here. We're going to draw a line that's going to come up and it's going to jump right to here. And we'll do another one right to there. We'll make a couple more lines that just come down here. And then we'll do a couple little lines on the arms. And a couple little lines on the legs and the feet. You can kind of put these wherever you want to. Let's also add 2 little lines up here on the head. Now our next step is going to be to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our little Halloween minion. We got one half here and one half here. So let's begin here. So I'm going to start by making a line that's just going to curve up, and I'm going to bring this down. Then this time I'm just going to put one large circle here for the eye. Then we're going to draw another circle around it. We're going to put that little pupil in here. And then we'll draw two lines on each side. Then I'm going to continue this line up. And we're going to make the mouth over here, and I'm going to put a couple of teeth in there. We'll make a little line across and another one here and here. And then I'm going to make some hair that just kind of curves down like this. Now, let's make another one over here. So, starting over here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up. And I'm going to bring it down here. I'm going to make a circle here. I'm going to leave some space. We'll put another circle for the other eye. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down, and then up and down, and we're just going to curve this around here. Go up and then down and up. I'm going to make two little lines here. Then I'm going to make two little dots in here for the pupil. Then I'm going to make a line right here that curves around. I'm going to color this in. I want to make a little bump here and a little bump here, so it looks like this minion is a ghost. And then we'll make some hair coming out. Now, over here, let's make another one. So right here, I'm going to draw a line. It's just going to kind of curve up. And then I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to make a big circle in here for the eye. And a little dot for the pupil. Then I'm also going to make a line across here. I'm going to make two lines here, and then two lines here. And then I'm going to make a big sad face shape here, and then a big smiley face shape here. Then I'm going to make a little smile. Then I'm going to put a little horn here, and a little horn here, so we kind of have like a little devil minion. I'm going to make two lines that come out here for the arm, and a little curve for the thumb, and then a little curve for the hand. Then we're going to make two lines that come up and two lines that come down. And then we're going to make his little pitchfork. We're going to make a little U with a line, and then we're going to put some arrows on here. Then we're going to make two squiggly lines for a tail. And we're going to put a little arrow at the end. Now, starting here, I'm going to make another one. So I'm going to make a big curve up here. We're going to come down and up. I'm going to make a circle for an eye. And then I want to make another circle for an eye right here. We're going to go up and down, up and down. Then we're just going to go down and up to connect it. We'll make two lines here and two lines here for the goggles. Next, we're going to make a line here and a line here at an angle. And then we're going to make a line here and another line here at an angle. We're going to put 2 little dots in here for the pupils. We're going to make a smile and the line that's going to come down and up. Then we're going to go up, make a couple bumps, and then down, so it kind of looks like a vampire one. And we'll do a little tongue. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down and then up here. Then we're going to go up and over for like his little cape. Then we're just going to make some little lines here for the hair. Next, over here, let's make another one. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then a line that's going to come up here. We're going to draw a little curved line, and then we're going to connect them here. Then we're going to draw a little oval shape that's going to come right around here. And then we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down. We'll go up and then make a little line down here for like a witch's hat. We'll make a line across and then 2 lines here for like the little buckle across there. Then we're going to make a partial circle here and then another one around it. Then we'll do 2 lines here and 2 lines here. And then we'll do a little line here for the dot. Then over here, we'll do one last minion. So let's begin by making our curve to here. And then we're going to make some little bumps. And we're going to bring it down here. I'm going to make 1 circle in here. And then we'll make 1 circle around it. 2 lines here. And then 2 lines here for the goggles. We'll make a line across here, and then a line across here. And then we're going to put a little dot here for the pupil. For the mouth, we're going to kind of curve this up and down like this. And then we're going to put a couple little bumps here and kind of color in around it for some teeth. We'll make a little line here so it looks like a little stitch. And we'll do like a little hashtag here so it looks like it's kind of dirty. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come out, and then another one. We'll make a little curve for the thumb, and then we'll make another little curve here for the hand. And we'll put a line here. We'll do a couple kind of like squiggly looking little hair, and then a little bump here so it kind of looks like his brain is there for like a zombie minion. Then I'm going to bring these 2 lines down. And then right here at this angle, let's just bring this down so it kind of runs into our other one. And we'll do another line here. And then a couple more little lines here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Halloween minion surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we've got one cute little mummy minion. And then when we open it, we've got a bunch of other fun Halloween ones. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.